Do you struggle with testing wires, fuses, switches, transformer windings, coils, connections, or PCB tracks for continuity while on the move? Here is a game changer, a handy continuity tester that fits perfectly in your pocket, runs on a single button cell, is extremely energy efficient, and it alerts you with an audio tone whenever continuity is detected. Compact, reliable, cost-effective, and built around the CMOS IC 3909. Let us dive into how it is done. How to make a handy pocket continuity tester using IC 3909 that runs on button cell. Are you looking for a simple and compact electronics project? In this video, we will show you how to build a pocket continuity tester using IC 3909 that works on just a single button cell. This handy little tester is designed to check continuity in wires, circuits, and components while giving an audio beep through a small speaker whenever continuity is detected. No need for bulky multimeters. This lightweight, portable solution is all you need in your pocket. The circuit is powered by a coin-sized button cell, making it extremely efficient and easy to carry around. Using the IC 3909, the design becomes reliable and effective while keeping the component count minimal. Whether you are a beginner in electronics or a DIY enthusiast, this project will give you hands-on experience in circuit building. By the end of this video, we will learn the full working principle, required components, and step-by-step assembly. This project is perfect for students, hobbies, repair technicians, and DIY lovers who need a quick, portable solution for continuity testing. Watch till the end. Subscribe for more DIY electronics projects. Like and share this video if you find it useful. Here I have enumerated a few components that can be tested for continuity using this continuity tester. Open fuse, open switch, open or short diode, or even an LED, speaker voice coil, transformer windings, relay coils, ordinary coils, mains card. Component resistance up to 100 ohms value can be tested for continuity using this tester. Open or short PCB copper track. This is very important for the service technicians. Continuity tester circuit schematic is given here. Please go through the circuit. The IC LM3909 is shown how it is configured in this circuit. Very few components are used in this circuit. Only one resistor and two capacitors. The audio output is obtained through a small speaker. This impedance of the speaker can be 15 ohms. Just you can use 1.5 volt button cell to energize the circuit. The IC LM3909 pin configuration is given separately here for your reference. Pin 5 is connected to positive power supply. Pin 4 is connected to earth, that is negative power supply. Other pin connections are given here. You can easily use this diagram during construction purpose. The tester probes example is given. A red tester probe is denoted as A, black as B. Here, how the tester probe is connected to the main circuit. The red test probe is connected to point A and the black tester probe is connected to point B. This will be helpful for completing the assembly. This figure will be very useful while you are constructing the circuit. The circuit as well as the IC pin configuration are giving side by side. So by going through these IC pin connections, you can easily connect the components to the circuit and complete the construction. The specialty of the design, this circuit uses 8-pin IC 3909. Circuit works on a single button cell. Audio sound, yes, continuity is there. No audio sound means open. Low component count, cost-effective gadget, easy to assemble on a soap box. The working of the circuit, connect the test probes to points A and B as shown in the circuit, gives an audio sound when probes are shorted. Components under test are to be connected to probes A and B. An illustration, take a 5 ampere glass fuse. Connect the probe terminal A to one side of the fuse and B to the other side. If you hear an audio sound, the fuse is good. That means continuity is there. No sound means fuse is open. Test other components in this similar way. The spare parts list is given here. Single IC LM3909, one piece. One capacitor 10 MFT 12 volt. Another one capacitor 100 N. Only one resistor 1 kilo ohms. Loudspeaker is 16 ohms impedance. You can use 1.5 inch speaker here. You can use button cell or even 1.5 volt pentard cell 3A type. Assembling tips, easily assembled on a solderless breadboard or a general purpose printed board. Use an 8-pin dual inline IC socket to insert the IC. Use 16 ohms 1.5 inch speaker. No on-off switch is required. Spare parts list is given. A small plastic box like a soap box is enough to assemble the gadget. Please like the video, share with others. To view more such useful gadgets, please subscribe to this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.